Welcome to Cook Everything. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to shuck corn. You thought you knew how to shuck corn, and then this video came out. So without further ado, I'll show you the method that I like to use. So I'm going to start out with one ear of corn here, and we're going to locate the base of the corn, which is here. Notice how it tapers off and then tapers back up. That's where we're going to want to make our cut. So locate it. Cut straight through. You want to use plenty of pressure because the core is quite tough. Peel one strip of the husk away and just roll it around. How easy was that? Also notice the silk actually comes off a lot easier doing it this way, just because you're not ripping it all apart from the other end, and it's all still fully intact under the husk, so you can just kind of grab it all in a bunch and pull it off. You still want to grab a clean cloth and clean off any excess silk that's stuck to the corn. So I'll show you one more. So locate the base again, follow it up until the largest part, apply pressure, cut through, and just peel one single strip down and roll it. So what's the point in doing it this way? The reason that I do it this way is so I can keep those corn husks. I personally like to use every bit of every vegetable or fruit or animal possible, and especially in this case, you know, corn husks, they have a lot of flavor in them. I like to steam fish in there. I will even use fresh corn husks to make tamales in opposed to dried corn husk. And that's it. So I'm going to show you how to remove the corn from the cob. You can see I just have one large bowl here. I don't really recommend using the smaller bowl upside down within a bowl method. It's just kind of dangerous, and it just feels sketchy. So I like to just use one large bowl. And don't get too close to the cob. I think a lot of people try to get in too close to the cob. Notice it's coming off really easily. There's very little resistance there. So you want to kind of find that sweet spot between the kernels of corn and the actual cob. So we'll do one more here. Just straight down. Notice how easily it's coming off. It's because I'm not going in too deep. If we were doing cream corn or something like that, or we wanted the starch from the cob, after we do this, we could still go back and scrape all of that out, no problem. So we're not going to throw these corn cobs away. We actually have a bunch of other vegetable scraps we're going to be making vegetable stock with in another video. So after you get the kernels of corn removed from the cob, we're just going to cut these down into a couple of pieces so that they'll fit into a stock pot. They have a lot of starch left in the cob, which is going to kind of thicken our vegetable stock very slightly and give it some body. Sweeten up that vegetable stock. So this is what I do to get the most use out of my vegetables. Thank you guys for tuning in one more time. Please like my channel, subscribe, leave a comment. I would love to know what you guys think about these videos, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.